Maybe one day the samurai will get the winch, but we try not to get stuck in the first place. And we are going to employ the same technique that we use in our other cars, only smaller. This is a hand winch. It is for 1 ton. The whole car has a 1 ton, so theoretically you could hang the whole car onto this and pull it upwards. But the problem is the maximum distance that it can pull is 1.2 meters.
What does it mean?
So when you stretch it out and pull it back in, that's 1.2 meters. This is very low. I mean, we will not get stuck so that you need 10 meters of winch to get out. You will get stuck on a rock or something, or in a mud puddle, and you need to go 1 meter backwards or forwards to get unstuck.
Okay.
This is our theory. But we are going to modify this very easily. So we get half of the... God damn it. Welcome to our unboxing video. So we get half of the pulling force and double the extension. What do I need? I need gloves. We're going to remove this pulley, and that means that we're going to get double the cable length, but we will have our pulling power. But hey, it's a samurai. We don't need a lot of pulling power. We just don't need... We just bought this, if you can see, and we're already taking it apart. Oh no, I did not need to remove that one. Go back. Go back. Please go back. Please, please. I'm just putting the circlet back because I have to remove this one too. Okay. And this circlet. Okay.
Okay. What now? Everything is apart now. Shut up.
That's right. Oh, for fuck's sake! Go fuck yourself. I removed one circle that I didn't have to, and this one, but that's not a problem. We are in our workshop and we have too many tools. We're going to do this. Just like that.
Okay.
And now we're going to exchange some of the nuts here and some of the bolts.
Why? They're stronger ones.
Wait until I flip it over, and then I will tell you. What are these? These are the weakest bolts you can put on here. And these are... So what do we have now? We have, how do you operate this? Cable with the ratchet. Okay. This is the problem. For example, this bolt, 13 and another 13. It's not a... Okay, this is not a problem. But the problem is they're not using locking nuts. And then over time they get loose. So we're just going to put lock nuts on everything and remove this useless, absolutely fucking useless, I hate them, lock washers. This is the thinnest washer I have ever seen. So I need an M6 washer and an M6 locking nut. There is no washer on the other side, but I'm not taking this off because the spring will not be happy. Can I operate this still? Yes, I can. Okay. Now to the next one. Okay, this is a little bit stronger bolt than the rest of them. So I need an M8. And I need an M8 locking. Do I even have it? I do not have M8 locking nuts. Yes, I do. And hopefully we don't ever need to use this, but for 25 euros.
It was only 25.
By my math it was. By somebody else's math it was 30.
Oh, okay.
I have a 13 hanging here. No, why don't I have a 13 hanging here? Okay. Uh, 6 million. Oh, whoa, very bang. 6 millimeter and a 6 millimeter locking nut.
It's springtime.
Yeah.
Bikes are out.
Yeah. I wanted to buy a bike, but you told me not to. So I do not wrap around the tree.
Yeah, I don't want to bed.
Then we bought Samurai, and now we will both be wrapped around the tree.
That's better.
It's better. Okay. One more.
So did you improve the value now of this
Yes.
tool?
Now I improved the. So this will be in the back of the car for most of its life.
Oh.
In the back of a very shaky car. And I noticed while we were making while we were putting the, how do you call it, the fire extinguisher, that some bolts got a little bit loose
Oh, really?
on some parts. Yes.
Interesting.
And that is why we're putting lock nuts on everything. Okay, do we have one more? Yes, the weakest one. Why did they put the weakest one here? This is 4.8 bolt. This is basically butter.
What?
This bolt is very soft.
Oh.
So this is 6 by 16. Let me see how my ichrometer is. 6 by 16.
Nice.
6 by 16. That one, that one. Where is the new one? Is this the new one? Yes,
Yeah.
8.8. And this is the cable holder. You can actually, if we put two nuts, two washers, and this is a little bit too short. Let's try it. And if it's too short, we'll put 6 by 20.
Why do you need 2 washers?
Why not?
Unacceptable.
On one side and on the other. Oh, this is not going to be too short. This is only springy. 10mm. This is not a 10. This is a 10. Come on, bite. Okay.
Okay.
There we go. I thought this would be a shorter video, just showing you how you can get
It will be.
double the... But I'm still not convinced on this one, and why I cannot take it off. Yeah, it will be a short video.
Yes, you need proper tools.
Yes, I need proper tools to see what. Oh, you know what you can put here if it fits?
What?
Oh, it's a special bolt. But
How?
we have one of these.
Ah. Does it fit? No.
Of course not. It's a special bolt.
Ah.
You can still put a lock nut on it. That's why it had room to wiggle and it was not tightened,
Yeah.
because the little nut was grabbing onto the end of the bolt.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we just need to find a place to store this.
In the car.
Yeah.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's working. It will work.
Okay, great.
There we go, that's tightened. They have two enormous hooks, and this can go into the car for reserved parts. Actually, put everything together like this, because we have all the tools to make it at 1 ton again in the car.
Cool.
No, I could actually. Can I put this here? No, barely not. So the rope goes around this. But okay. So yeah, that is how you make double the length, have the strength hand winch. It's just a few simple tools. You don't need to replace all of the nuts if you don't want to, but we can, and then we will. We do.
Is it gonna be in the box or not?
No. The box is also going into the trash. And what is this?
Manual.
Original.
The 1 meter?
Yes.
Original Betriebsanleitung. There's more. Handhebelseilzug.
Original operation instructions. Hand lever hoist.
Yeah. Separate into few words and then it's readable. Okay. Does it say do not replace the nuts?
Look what does it say. Recycling. There we go.
Done.
We'll put this in the car when we put our seat covers on.
Yay.
Come on, rotate, you can do it. Come on, rotate, pull it. No, you cannot do it.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, this was a short one.
Bye.
See you later.
For anybody wondering where we're going to hold all of that extra gear, we just put 2 carabiners and we tighten it on the plank.
Oh, nice.
But you just tighten it ever so slightly, because you're going to break everything.
Oh, okay.
So this is not going anywhere.
Okay, this is a great placement.
I think we said everything we want to say.
Okay, that's it. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.